Actually, pew 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 pew! Ada Lovelace wrote an algorithm that could be used to generate Bernoulli numbers, making her the first to recognize that computers could do more than simple calculations. Often called the first computer programmer, she worked on Charles Babbage's analytical engine, an early mechanical computer. Without her, we wouldn't have the concept of computer programming, which all modern software is built on. Grace Hopper developed the first compiler, which translated human-readable code into machine language. She played a key role in the creation of COBOL, a programming language still used in banking and business applications. She coined the term debugging after removing a literal moth from a computer. Without her, we wouldn't have the user-friendly programming languages that make software development more accessible. Hedy Lamarr co-invented frequency-hopping spread spectrum technology originally designed to prevent torpedo signals from being jammed. This technology became the foundation for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. Jean Bartik was one of the original programmers of the ENIAC, the first general-purpose electronic computer. She helped convert the ENIAC from a manual plugboard system to a stored program system, which became the foundation for modern programming. Frances Allen, a pioneer in compiler optimization, made software run more efficiently. Her research on parallel computing helped make modern high-performance computing possible. Without this, we wouldn't have high-speed, efficient computing essential for smartphones, like the one you used to make that snappy comment. She was the first woman to win the Turing Award, often considered the Nobel Prize of Computing. Margaret Hamilton led the development of onboard flight software for NASA's Apollo program, ensuring the success of the moon landing, influencing modern software engineering processes. She coined the term software engineering. Without her, we wouldn't have reliable software engineering principles used in aviation, spaceflight, and critical systems like medical devices. Barbara Liskov created the Liskov substitution principle, a key concept in object-oriented programming, which is widely used in software development. She developed CLU, an early programming language that influenced Python, Java, and many other languages. Her work made programming more modular and reusable, improving smartphone app development. Without her, we wouldn't have modern software development frameworks, including those used for smartphone apps, web applications, and operating systems. Radia Perlman created the Spanning Tree Protocol, STP, which is essential for modern Ethernet networking, the backbone of internet connectivity, sometimes called the mother of the internet. Without her, we wouldn't have the ability to connect millions of devices through the internet from home Wi-Fi to corporate networks. Judy Estrin helped develop key protocols for early internet, including TCP/IP, essential for modern web and mobile communications. She co-founded several technology companies focused on networking, including Bridge Communications and Precef Software. Without her, we wouldn't have the modern internet, including web browsing, video calls, and online shopping. Sophie Wilson designed the ARM architecture, ARM if you're fancy, which powers nearly all modern smartphones and tablets. Her contributions have made mobile computing possible. Without her, we wouldn't have energy-efficient mobile processors, making modern smartphones, tablets, and smart devices possible. Ellen Ochoa developed optical systems for data processing, which contributed to advancements in image recognition and communication technology. While best known as an astronaut, her work in electrical engineering helped shape optical communication technologies used in satellites and smartphones. Without this, we wouldn't have image recognition technology used in facial recognition, smartphone cameras, and satellite imaging. Shafi Goldwasser, a cryptographer who co-developed key encryption techniques, including zero-knowledge proofs. Her work is foundational for secure internet communication, digital transactions, and online privacy, all of which are crucial for smartphones and web security. Without her, we wouldn't have online banking, secure messaging app, and encrypted transactions that protect our digital lives.
Well, men would have come up with those eventually.
And women would have made men's inventions too.